on the plot of the story. Now the new word here is predict. Will tell me what predict means. Yes, Nilesh?
Predict means a guess.
What type of guess?
Smart guess.
Making a
Smart guess.
Okay. Who's a character?
Me.
Come on, I need more participation.
Yes.
Yes, Tejas?
In story the man. In story the moral.
Character is the moral.
No.
Persons in the story or animals in the story, they are called characters. What is the setting? Come on, now the girls. Setting. What do you mean by setting? Yes, Petrus? Time and place of the story. What do you mean by plot of the story? Yes?
Sequence of events in the story.
Sequence of events. Can you tell me the 5 elements of plot? Come on, fast. More hands. 5 elements of plot in this. You need to tell me. Yes, Swati. Introduction. Pass it on to someone else. Choose. Shivani. Writing action. Pass it to someone else. Context. Climax. Pass it to someone else. Ajay. Falling action. Pass it to last person. Last one is resolution. Okay? These are the 5 elements of the plot. What we are going to do today is we will read a paragraph, understand what's happening in the paragraph, change one thing. Which are the 3 things that you can change today? Yes? Character, setting or event. Event matlab kuch action, you can change an action or you can change a dialogue and see what effect it has on the plot of the story. Basically, plot today you are going to look at how the story develops. You know what is developing?
Yes.
How the story is going ahead.
Yes.
You will see if you change one thing, what will be the effect on the rest of the story. Alright. So now, page number 147. I want one person to read this. Oh yes, Ajay. Oho. From Oho till the adventure.
Oh, answered the stranger. Well, tell me all about it, and possibly I may be of service to you. So, Perseus, let the stranger know, in few words, precisely what the case was. The stranger was no other than Quicksilver, the messenger of God. He assured Perseus that he would help him in his adventure.
Good. Stop. Okay. So now, let's read the paragraph again and understand what it means.
Yes.
So the stranger is talking to Perseus. Oh, answered the strangers. Tell me all about your mission and possibly I may be of service to you. So Perseus let the stranger know in a few words precisely what the case was. The stranger was none other than Quicksilver, the messenger of God. He assured Perseus that he would help him in his adventure. Now I'm telling you how I'm thinking, okay? No, next time you can help me. So right now, in the paragraph, I know, I can imagine when I read that stranger is talking to Perseus. And stranger is telling him that you tell me all about your mission and then I might help you. Service means help other person. So Perseus told the stranger what he was going to do and the stranger turned out to be Quicksilver, who was a messenger of the gods. So he told Perseus, assured means he comforted him and told him, gave him confidence. I am there for you, I will help you out in this adventure. Right? So I am done reading a paragraph. This is done. First step is done. I am done understanding and explaining the scene to you. Now what do I have to do next?
Make a change.
Make a change. When you make a change, what happens? There is a effect. What do you mean by effect? Yes?
क्या हुआ?
Kya hua? Or what has happened because of the change. So now in this story, if I change that the stranger instead of being a messenger of God, he was a messenger of the Gorgons. Okay. So if quicksilver was a messenger of the Gorgons, then many ideas come to my head. Next time you can do it, okay? But the most important thing that can change the story, I think, will be that if he was a messenger of the Gorgons, then he would trick Perseus into going to the Gorgons, saying that I will help you out, but he will help the Gorgons out and kill Perseus. Okay? So I'll put that in a sentence here. If matlab the change, then is the effect. If I do this, then this will happen. Remember if and then words. Okay? Okay. Right? This is all you have to do today. Can you please stop writing? I didn't ask you to write. Now, you saw all the steps we did. We did the change. After making the change, I predicted its effect. If this happens, then what will happen on the plot of the story? Right? Now you tell me, which were the steps that I took? What did I do since the beginning? Come on up. Raise your hand. What was the first step? Yes, Prerna? Read a paragraph. Can you pick someone else? Come on, who wants to answer?
Underline, explain,
Understand, no?
understand and explain the symptoms. Same.
Not symptoms, the symptom. Choose someone else. Ria. After I understand and explain the scene, what happens next? I will make a change. Once I change one part in the story, what is the last thing you have to do? Yes, fire. Yeah, predict its effect. If I change this, what will happen next? Now Rohan is going to continue, and this time, after reading the paragraph, you will work together. Okay, instead of me, Rohan will be teaching. Come. From here till here. If you show yourself till that big paragraph. I'm coming out to see if you are actually listening. Come. Yeah. Or you can choose one.
Who will be now? Yes. Shabir. If you show yourself bold and courageous and follow or advise, you need not fear being a strong immediate. A while, but first of all, you must polish your shield. Still, you can see your face in it as distinctly and in a mirror. This seemed to Perseus rather on at beginning of the adventure. He thought it was more important that the shield should be strong enough to defend him from the goblins' brazen claws. However, concluding that Quicksilver knew better than himself, he immediately set to work and scrubbed the shield with so much diligence and goodwill that it very quickly shone like the moon at harvest time. Quicksilver looked at it with a smile and nodded his approval. Then he gave his own sword to Quicksilver. So we have read the paragraph. Now I will explain you the scene. In this scene, the Quicksilver is giving the Perseus advice that he should polish his shield. Shield means shield. What is in my shield? Talwar means sword.
Dhar.
Dhar. Yeah, it is dhar. He says that you should polish your shield till you can see your face clearly in it. But that person says that the shield should not be just polished, but it should have the power to defend the brazen means dangerous ones of gorgons. So, uh, then Perseus with diligence. What is mean by diligence? Who can tell me? What is mean by diligence?
Diligence.
Diligence. His emperorship is diligence. Sincere, good, or anyone? Hard work done carefully. Means he polishes his shield with hard work and very carefully. So he polishes shield and Quicksilver look at him and give him a smile and then gave him own sword to pursue. At previous paragraph we have learned that Quicksilver has a sword also. So he gave that sword to Perseus. So we have understand and explain the scene. Now make a change. So my change will be anyone can tell him change.
Quicksilver was given a sword to Perseus, but it was only want to kill to Perseus.
You are trying to say that with the sword Quicksilver wanted to kill Perseus. Any other idea?
Quicksilver will not give any advice to persuade or tell some other thing to shine the to polish the shield and do not give sword to him.
Any other idea?
Come on, you have some ideas, right?
We are just have to predict. In prediction there is no right and wrong answer.
Any more ideas? What can you change in these paragraphs?
So he has a nice the Quicksilver was the another face of Gorgons to kill the Perseus. So it changes into Gorgons and kill Perseus.
Come on, what else can happen?
What? The next.
Quicksilver is the brother of Gorgon,
Stand up, Ganesh.
and he's helping his sister to killing him.
Any other idea? Okay. So Julian was nice idea that the sword hurts Quicksilver and he gave his own swords the Perseus. Yeah, it is really the same. So Julian's idea was nice that the sword is fake and when he will go to kill Gorgon, the sword will drop and the Gorgon will easily kill Perseus. So we have
Write the change. So what change are you taking for this? If Quicksilver gives the fake sword to Perseus. Now predict the effect. I want as many predictions as possible. Come on. If Quicksilver gave fake sword to Perseus, what would happen? Come on. Think and tell me fast. Think for a minute. Discuss with your partner. I'm giving you exactly 1 minute.
try to inherit their idea. It is also
You know what is a fake sword? Luckily, if you give a fake sword, if Quicksilver gives a fake sword to Perseus, then what will the change be? What is the effect of this?
Come on, think for a minute.
Think for a minute, discuss with your partners, then Rohan will answer.
Try to detail your idea.
Right.
Add details your idea.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Come on, hands up.
Quicksilver and Goggle.
Village, clear this.
Then the Perseus will want to kill the Goggle, and but the sword was so fake, no, so the Quicksilver and Goggle will come together and kill the Perseus. And like Ravi said, if Quicksilver is the brother of Goggle, so his brother will think that I think Perseus is fake sword, so that I should not give my sister attention and a problem. Why I should kill the Perseus at night.
Who else wants to answer? Can you please raise your hands? No.
Quicksilver take was teaching the sword. The Persuade know that it is the fake sword. Quicksilver kill him.
Okay, Ajay. The Quicksilver give him fake sword, and at night the Perseus know about that it is fake sword. Then Perseus take a original sword and go to kill, and the Quicksilver and Gorgon will really nice and creative. When Quicksilver gives the sword to the Perseus, as Julius said, he is the brother of Gorgon. When the Perseus touches the sword, eventually it will become stone. Perseus, when he takes the sword and he touches the sword, Perseus becomes stone. Means the sword is also no magic. What answer? The Quicksilver give him fake sword and it is changed in original. Then he will go to the Gorgons to fight with Gorgon. When Gorgon sees is from his eyes to Perseus, but Perseus takes his sword to ears and it is shining no color. So it reflects to the Gorgon and Gorgon changes into stone.
Good. That's a brilliant idea. Can we all clap for it? And I really like the detail he added. You know. So come on, some more ideas. Tell me in short. Yes, Ganesh. Fast.
And Quicksilver will be using fake sword. Then Percy is clever and he's take one more sword with him in adventure, and he will use for
He will take anyone.
Not the same ones, not the same ones. Others should get
I
chance.
want new hands. Hunter. Quicksilver gives the Perseus sword. Perseus sword so polished shield. And Quicksilver.
He gives him that when he's polishing. Okay, good. Girls, any girls? Only Riya answered. Are you good? You already answered, no? Try. Loudly. He is not able to fight against the Goblin. So which answer should be right there?
Ajay.
Ajay. Come on, Ajay. Then the reflection from the sword will kill. Okay. Now can you give Rohan feedback? Come on fast. What positives did you see in Rohan's class? More hands. No. What was nice about Rohan's class? Yes, Manjala. He spoke in English. He taught nicely.
His handwriting became better.
His handwriting improved. How many agree that Rohan's handwriting on the board? Good. Okay. What else? Yes.
We give everybody to chance to.
He gave everyone a chance. He has style. He teaches in style.
He didn't do partiality with.
He didn't do partiality.
He did not stop in it. He did not stop in it.
He did not stop in between.
He also tell what he imagined while he
Yeah. He also told his
It
thoughts.
was great.
It was great to come here and teach.
He teaches like this.
He teaches like me. That's a compliment. Thank you.
Rohan tried to teach as many as English.
Okay. He explained well. Same thing. Okay. He explained an example. This one. He was confident. Excellent. Yeah. Finished. Now, tell me one thing Rohan can improve upon. Yes. Yes, Kunde. Still handwriting can get better.
More better.
Yeah.
Really?
No, okay, it's enough. One improvement is enough. So what we're going to do now is, like we showed you all the steps, right? Let's quickly revise the steps. What was the first thing that Rohan did? Come on. Yes, Hans. He read a paragraph. After reading paragraph, what did he do? Yes, Khalid. Understand paragraph and explain it. Very good. Then what did he do next steps? First thing.
Make change.
He made a change. Which are the three things you can change in this thing? Petrus, the dialogue you could change, make for us, setting or character. Okay, yeah, or an event. Now what happened was this last step. Final step is, yes, Punde?
Effects on the plot of the story.
Predict what effect it will have on the plot of the story. So now you have 5 minutes to work on that paragraph. No spot till nibs. Okay, I'm coming around to help you.